You tell Santa Claus.
What do you want?
Ethan, what do you want for Christmas? You tell Santa Claus. Ethan. Don't look at the light, di mayayay ang eyes. You tell Santa Claus na.
Santa Claus!
Yes. Na, nagtubag siya gina. You tell na.
What do you want for Christmas? Gift for Christmas.
Ah, no more na. I-open. Okay, go, pull. You tell Santa Claus.
Santa Claus! What do you want?
I want
Thomas Prime.
Wow.
And
then what else?
what else? Aside from Optimus Prime. Jago!
What?
Wala! Optimus Prime lang?
How about Bumblebee? How about Thomas? How about
Tayo the bus.
Oh my goodness, damaged. What happened? No. So
Sige, what happened to...
what else do you want? How about dinosaur? You tell Santa Claus. Si Santa Claus, I want
the dinosaur. Santa Claus.
You tell all you want. All the toys.
What else?
What? It's for girls. Elsa is for girls.